Welcome. In front of me is a Alcatel 5V, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card and SD card. So starting off, you might want to have a little pin eject tool that usually comes with the phone, like I have right here. If you don't, you can use some kind of paper clip like this bent one. And once you have it ready, as you can see on the side you have a tray right here. It's the tiny little thing with the, see if I can, okay, it's right here, as you can see. What you want to do is just take that pen, put it in here and push it in there till the tray comes out. So you can see like so. And what you want to do is just pull it out and you get this tray. So I'm just gonna put the phone a little back, and you have a memory card which goes in the first slot, and then a SIM card which goes the deeper one right there. And you want to make sure that they all lay flat like they are right now, and make sure that the SIM card is put the correct way. You have a little cutout right here, so it goes with the SIM card cutout. And once it's ready and flush in the tray, just want to slide it back in here, and preferably watch out for what happened right now. Let's see. Okay, now it went in. So as you can see, just push it in there all the way, and now the SIM card that I chose actually has a pin, so let's unlock it, and as you can see, it's working, and the memory card should be working as well. As you can see, SanDisk SD. So that is basically how you put in the SIM card and SD card. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.